Here I'll show you like what we do, because there are a lot of trees in the forest that we climb. We spend a lot of time here. This one here is also poisoned. But everything you move, there will be something. You know, ants are the most common thing in the forest.
Any ants that bite?
Yes.
Yeah.
There are many different kinds. One that you have to look for is you cannot miss it because it's really big and black.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's what we call a bullet ant, and that can be very painful bite.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's black and big. The ones that are on a tree, they are harmless. We call them a golden butt. They just yellow on the tail, and you can pick them up. Nothing. Don't harm.
Okay.